auto alarm specialist.
Okay, this is a 2012 F350. We went ahead and gave him the linkr Excalibur alarm system. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock on the phone. Arms the alarm, locks your doors. Okay, it's gonna give you the report now that the doors are locked. Unlock it. Turns off the alarm, unlocks the doors. Remote start. Truck is running by remote control. This is the little tower that tells you the signal of the unit. This is the battery level of the actual battery in the vehicle. The countdown will start here. It's going to be, we gave them 20 minutes going backwards. So it's going to start giving you a countdown of 20 minutes that the truck is running. There's two ways this remote start will stop. If you open the door and push the foot on the brake, that shuts it off. When you get in the truck, the only thing you got to do is turn the key forward. And by the time you push the foot on the brake, the truck stays running because the key's already turned forward. That's how you, that's the case you're gonna take off with the vehicle. See the countdown already here? It starts giving you 20 minutes going backwards. To shut it off, you can hit turn off the remote start. That shuts off the truck. It has GPS. I'm gonna go ahead and show that in a second. Tells you where the truck is. Also has our contact information here in case you need it. Okay. Want to go ahead and arm the alarm? With the two remote controls. The phone. You should be receiving the alerts in a second now. But you cancel out the alerts. But it will give you the whole siren, you know, the whole wing, like if it was a little siren inside your phone. What happened is when he opened up the screen, he canceled the push notification. Basically, this one of the things I like about this alarm, it has the antenna on the top. This antenna has nothing to do with the GPS and the cellular system. This is just to give you a range on the remote controls. But it has this center button. So let's say your truck is truck is on, and you need the keys, and you want to leave the truck running. You can press this button twice. You can remove the keys, and the truck will stay running. This is called pit stop. If somebody gets in and pushes the foot on the brake, it shuts off the truck. So basically, yeah, this is the alarm system with the remote start, shock sensor for the windows, push notification. He's able to arm and disarm it from the phone. It came with two fobs. If you want a remote starter, you can press this twice. You can do it from the remote control, of course. It comes with two of them. Then, of course, he's got all the compartments here. We put the pin switches in, so if anybody opens up any of the compartments, it will fire off the alarm. He'll get the push notification in his phone within, I believe it's 20 seconds. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is in the Ford F350 utility truck. Thank you for watching this video.